The release of updated AirPods wireless headphones is now expected in the first quarter of 2019. Apparently, the second generation of new AirPods wireless headphones, contrary to initial expectations, we will not see this year. According to the latest forecast of the famous analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, an updated version of Apple's best-selling accessory will be released in the first quarter of 2019. There is no doubt that the updated version of AirPods will receive support for the latest Bluetooth 5.0 standard and will be completed with a new case model with support for wireless charging. Bluetooth 5.0 support was confirmed by the recent certification of the new Bluetooth SIG, while the case with wireless charging Apple showed last fall. According to the analyst, the new model of the case will cost more than the first in production. It will offer an improved design with loops of increased reliability and will have higher operating temperatures. Whether this will affect the cost of the device is not yet known. But it is assumed that the case will be sold as a set of new AirPods, and separately. It is believed that the updated AirPods will not bring any significant innovations in comparison with the current model. These most significant improvements, such as protection against water and the ability to launch Siri through a voice command, are supposedly reserved for the AirPods model, which will be released in 2020. According to the forecast of Ming-Chi Kuo, in 2021, sales of AirPods will exceed 100 million units, whereas by the end of last year 16 million headphones were sold.